How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. We have to put on our throttle cable holder on that side, and we're going to get this thing stripped down and start grinding it and getting it ready for paint. So that's the big project for now. Alright, I got my homemade little throttle holder there, and it just clears my tie rod. So I do believe that was the very last thing I needed to weld on this whole go-kart. This is just tearing it apart, getting ready to paint, that's all. I can't believe this. I lost one of them bolts. I don't know what I did with it. I have it here somewhere.
Looks like a new one. Look, I'm not here. Look up for you.
I've been sitting in that barn for how long down there? Well, the cart's all finished, guys. Here it is. It's pink and purple. I've been doing a video on breaking in the motor too. So I've had it out, I ran it a little bit, and I'm still in the middle of that video that I was doing where, you know, when you get a new motor, you should really break that motor in before you just take it out and run the heck out of it. So anyhow, that's another video you guys can check out, but I did want to show you the go-kart. You knew it was purple, we had some pink on it. I ended up saving the old seat that was on it. We reupholstered it, didn't do the greatest job, but it sure looks pretty decent to me. We saved half of the roll bar. The other half of the roll bar, Justin put on his go-kart on the sides. All the parts on here, they all came from GoPowersports.com, and I will leave a link for every part that I used on this down below in the description in case you guys are interested in any of the parts. But it was a great little project to do, and I really enjoyed it. So it's done, and we're going to take it for a spin. I'm going to give you guys just a little close-up of it, what it looks like. And if y'all remember what it looked like before, it was in pretty rough shape. But I think we salvaged a pretty good little go-kart there. Hopefully we'll be able to win the race. I'm not sure, but we'll see. I seen Justin's got a video on. He took his for a ride already, so hopefully we'll be able to do the same thing. But it sure did turn out nice. I gave you guys a little look at what it was building it. I really had a lot of fun building this. I had some help from my kids, and it was something nice to do with the kids. Now we still got to build a track and race it, but I'm thinking more in the lines of an ice track. Something on ice would be nice. But anyhow, when that race comes, we got our kart ready. Not sure whether it'll beat Justin and Brandon's, but I think I'll give them a good run for their money, that's for sure. I'd like to tell Go Power Sports thanks for sponsoring my build, and I'd like to tell everybody thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or comment if you'd like. Till next time.